Tractor Tuesday presents exploring the exciting world of farm machinery.
Hello, this is JD with Tractor Tuesday out at Geneva Implement. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Case IH Magnum 355. We're going to walk around it and take a look at all the features it has to offer your operation. This unit offers a power shift transmission, engine braking, brake assist steering, a hydraulic third link for your 3-point, and a suspended axle, making for a smooth ride, whether on the highway or in the field. You can also see they have added telescopic rearview mirrors. This tractor is packed with features, which you immediately notice as you crawl up into it. One of the coolest things is the dual 1200 Pro displays, where you can see everything that's going on in the field. It also has an outstanding display panel to control everything that you're hearing and feeling in the cab. Their multi-unit control panel leaves everything at your fingertips, even your smartphone. The hydraulic cab makes going through the field as smooth as glass. The cab feels large and roomy, making it an excellent place to spend the day during those busy times of year. While you're in the cab, it's hard to notice during the daytime, but it comes with a 360-degree work light package, so you'll never have to slow your operation down just because the sun sets.